Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making very famous Indian chaat called Dahi Puri. For this we need puris, mint chutney, this is stud mint chutney, this is chili garlic chutney, boiled potato, curd. So let's start making Dahi Puri. Add half a teaspoon of sugar in curd. Add a pinch of salt, 1 pinch of black salt, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, and mix all the ingredient very well. So this is the stuffing for our Dahi Puri. This is sweet, hot, tangy, everything is in there. Now put a small piece of boiled potato in puris. Add mint chutney as per your taste, approximately quarter teaspoon to each puri. Add chili garlic chutney, that is also as per your taste. I am adding quarter teaspoon to each puri. Add turmeric chutney, approximately quarter teaspoon to each puri, or as sweet as tangy you want. These all are as per your taste. Now add half a teaspoon of curd to each puri. Now add a pinch of black salt to each puri. Add pinch of chaat masala. Now add nylon safe. Add very finely chopped onion. Garnish it with coriander leaf. And the famous Indian chaat Dahi Puri is ready to serve. Thank you.